can query against. The main components of that architecture in the various layers are a triple store whenever you're not doing on-the-fly dereferencing. Logic components, which can be integrated with a triple store partially. UI components, of course, to implement the presentation layer. And then that whole set around data access and data integration. All those wrapper associated, all those ETL associated, and all those cleansing mapping components. And possibly a republication component to also make your data accessible again. About the frameworks that we talked of, the information workbench has two architectural patterns for data storage that are supported. One is the crawling pattern, the warehousing pattern, in other words, where data is ETL imported and stored in the database. And the second is a federation approach. Then about data integration, there are those different data providers in the data warehousing, in the crawling approach, where data can be imported from different sources. And there are components to also manipulate and produce fresh linked data, including input validation, ontology-driven authoring components. There were other frameworks, such as Callimachus, the Apache LMF framework, Synth, that are targeting partially other aspects, partially solving very similar